Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. According to a new internal version mobile memo, Apple is all set to release a red iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus as early as Monday. It would be a limited edition. The memo says that this red iPhone 8 would be added to Virgin Mobile's inventory immediately after today's announcement. That means it would be available online for pre-orders in just few hours after the release on Monday. So what do you think about this red iPhone? Do let me know in the comment section below. A Chinese source has leaked the spec sheet for HTC U12 Plus. According to the spec sheet, the phone is coming with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage, a great update as compared to its predecessor U11. It will have an updated version of HTC Sense, that is the HTC Sense 2, that can help you open an app with just a squeeze. HTC U12 Plus will be powered by Snapdragon 845 undoubtedly, and it will support an SD card up to 2 terabytes. The phone will have a 5.5-inch Quad HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio and a dual SIM support. Top bezel will house a 8-megapixel dual camera setup for selfie and 12-megapixel dual camera setup on the rear of the phone with optical image stabilization, that too with 1.5 aperture. That is a big aperture. It is more similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. IP68 water resistant, and it does support wireless charging with Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 and NFC. However, it is expected to release in the month of May 1st week. So what do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And what are your thoughts on HTC U12 Plus? Do you think it will be a lucky device for HTC and will take the company to another level as it is falling down? And if you like these type of videos, just subscribe to our channel for more upcoming contents on topics like the upcoming phones or rumors, concepts and everything. If you enjoyed the video, do leave a like on this video, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.